Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nizam Kaiser here, and today I received a new piece of package from Mech Fans toys that I purchased, and here it is. It is Ms28 Thunderbolt, aka Blitzwing. This is my favorite character of in the Decepticons triple changer, because I actually like his jet mode and his tank mode. So this is the packaging. The front box is his illustration. Then the side is all his alternate mode, robot mode, and at the back is all the details, the tank model and the jet mode model, and it included with a new face sculpture. I think this is maybe is a transformer animated, because he likes to change to become a psycho Blitzwing. And just look how awesome he is. Then at the side is just his drawing, the top, and below is his alternate mode. This packaging reminds me of buying a Gundam model lah. So okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, you get a Blitzwing, his sword, his gun, and the face cup, the alternate face cup, the psycho one. Okay, and then you get some instructions and a Decepticon decal. So many. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can make use of this to put some on my other collectors. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's two. Oh, coming soon is Springer and Redgar. Looks quite good. Instruction is quite okay. And the other one is another set of instruction. Okay, so we put this on the side. So the main focus is this fella. Okay, now I think we just take it out. Oh, the sword is here. Put this aside. Quite nice headscarf. This is the Psycho Blitzwing. Okay, we just put this aside. Okay, for the Blitzwing, it's pretty tiny though, but it really reminds me of G1 Blitzwing. And here's his gun and his sword. Looks quite good. Articulation wise, his head can turn, arms can do like this, but he cannot move it up because of this thing. I don't know whether he can. It's the maximum is like this, but he can do like this. You can turn. The wrist, I don't think you can turn. You can only turn it by his crotch area there. Arms, you can't move it back because of the wings here blocking the blocking the way. So this one you can move it like that. At the back, I don't think you can go much more further because of this part, the tank part, but it's okay. You can turn the leg two places, here and here. There's ankle articulation here and some heels. Overall is, for me, it's quite okay. It's quite posable. Unless you know how to pose him lah. Okay, let me find some sort of a comparison. This model is quite the size is quite very small. This is Transformers Kingdom Core Class. So if you can see, this is the smallest Transformers that I've brought recently. So it's quite like nearly half the size, double the size maybe. And here is the Transformers War for Cybertron Prowl. It's a bit taller already. And if you want to compare Blitzwing, I think it's the Titan's Return. This is much more bigger. But don't get me wrong, I actually love this piece. It's much more like simpler, where this one is like much more with details and everything, and you see all the packs all hanging around. But at first, this is my favorite lah. And he also got the Headmaster lah. Okay, so let me try out the transformation, then we get back on how good he is. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, I just did spend some time trying to change him from robot mode to jet mode, and jet mode to tank mode, then back to robot mode. From my point of view, that there are some parts are very quite complex, and I need to see the instructions a couple of times to see where it really goes. But the instructions are quite clear. Only that some, because this model is this figure is quite small, and some parts are really you need to use some force, because this is quite brand new, and the hinges, all these things are very, what you call that, very tight. So I think maybe I already a bit of loosen the parts a bit. So overall, let me show you how's the to change the first part is change to tank mode. Okay, so we take out this sword. Actually quite nice sword. I like the color actually. Okay, then the gun really look like G1. Okay, so if you want to change the headscarf, you need to use a screwdriver to unloosen the screw and take out and put back, because this one is on a it's on a ball joint. Okay, So I don't want to do it today, so we just do for the transformation. Okay, so what we do is we do the hand first, take out, rotate it, put back. Same on the other side, rotate. It's pretty small actually. Okay, so now is this one, the back. We extend it. Actually this one is a okay. For this part we need to collapse it, so the feet we put it become the the back part of the plane. Then we take out this. Actually we need to I think we need to, yeah, something like this. Need to change. I'm actually looking at the instruction also, because this is the second time I do. Okay, so this one take out and collapse it and put it back. This one also same. Collapse the legs. Oops. Okay, put it back. Then pack in together, so it become like this. Okay, so this one we take out, put like that, same like that. If I'm not wrong, this one you can push it. Oh no, actually this one you need to pack out first. Okay, so this one you need to, there's some sort like a, I don't know what it's called, it's like a hinge or something lah. So this part you need to go behind, because this one is the threading. So if I'm not wrong, yeah, this is the part I hate most. Okay. Yes. So one part done. The other part. Okay. Okay, then you have something like this. Okay. And then after that, this one will cover up this part. But before that, this one we need to move, do his leg like this, something like this. Then we can cut, we take out this part also. Oops, take out this part. Do the same on the other side. Back the, I think it's the guns for the jet mode. Okay. Oops. I forgot to take out this part. And this part, the panel, we just okay. Then we cover this part. Oh, I need to take out again. Okay, we put back. Oops. But okay, then this one we push it back. We push it up to release the tab here. Then we push it back. Then we can pull the turret, and the turret can spin 360. Okay, make sure that everything is tapped in. And okay, here is the tank mode. I really like the tank mode. It really reminds me of the G1. And you can put you can store the sword here. This one maybe you can, no, or you can put here. Okay, quite nice. Except for this part lah, is quite obvious lah. The jet, the back of the jet. Okay, so we change this to jet mode. So we push in the turret. Then if I not wrong, take out back. This one we do like this, like this. We take out the chest. Here's the front of the jet. Put, then the head we like collapse it inside. Something like this. Yes. Oops. Okay. So this one you will be facing backwards. So right now, this part, take out this the guns. Okay. And this part, the wings, not the wings, the back wings. Oh, yo, it's so difficult. I think you take out the whole thing, then you, oh my god, it's so damn tight. do the other one also. Okay, now put back. Okay, put back. This one have to. You just have to line up everything. This one just fold up. Then this part, the hold on. Let me see the instruction back. Okay. So this one you fold back, then this one put. Okay, done. So this is the jet mode. Looks pretty good actually, except for this, you can see the threading lah, but really look like G1 lah. And I really like it, especially this part, the G1 toy. There's a turret stored below it, so overall it's quite okay. So yeah, it's quite good. There's no, I don't think there's a landing gear. No, there's no landing gear. So you can just put it like this. It stays well. It doesn't fall to one side. It's quite good actually. So in my point of view, this what you call that, Blitzwing is actually quite good lah, but only that the thing is small, and some pieces are like, I a bit scared that I might break when doing the transformation lah. But overall it's quite good lah. Let me see if I can transform it back to robot mode, which I think is quite easy lah. So just like that. Oops. So okay. Then this part, the guns, we put it one side. This is the part that I hate most. Okay, so this one I take out. Oh, I forgot one thing. This part, need to push it back. Yes. Okay, so I can take out this part and pull out the legs. Then what's this? The feet. Do the same on the other side. Okay. Put it back. The feet. Okay, so Okay, correct. Okay, now like that, like that. The back part we just move it back. For the arms, we just take out again, bring out the fist. Take out, put back. Okay, there you have it. Okay, do I recommend this? Yes, if you don't mind the small size and everything, but it looks like G1. Only that I don't like is the transformation part, because some of the small parts I scared that I break them, but it looks good in your collection lah. Okay, so in the meantime, thank you for watching this unboxing video, and have a great time and stay safe.